look on mine.
But they don't. Do they bite you?
They don't hurt humans that I know of. But they're cool. They look like little. If you look at like a little pop, find another one.
Little cone. Are they like beetle type things or what?
Right here, see these little pits? So the ant will fall in there and you can't get out. And then the.
And what is it?
They're called ant lions.
So they
Huh.
I don't know if they sense that. But you have to throw an ant in there.
Oh, here's one.
Yeah, throw an ant. Is he a biter ant though? Oh yeah, we need that.
That's a winged. Get that stick out of there. Must not be hungry. Got him. Yep. Oh, he's pulled under. Oh, it's a sarlacc from Star Wars. Yeah, that's what I said. Probably where they got inspired. They got inspired from. Let's make a bigger version of it. Yeah. That's how I kind of feel when I'm watching.
We just fed an ant to a sarlacc pit. It was nuts. Alright, let me put my GoPro on.
Easier way down than coming on it.
You always take the safer, easy way.
Yeah.
Especially since he's carrying that. Oh, yeah. So you know cats off the way.
So this is where I climbed down. I don't know if you're comfortable with that. It's not too bad.
Not too bad. Holy crap.
And this is a good view. Look at that. The canyon. How you feel with this one? Is it alright?
All I gotta say is you're Spider-Man.
I know.
Well, yeah, you're taller, but just watch us.
I got farther to fall. I'm 6'4".